In this video, we are going to solve question number 5 from exercise number 13.1. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point -5, 7. Now, coordinates of initial point A are 2, 1 and coordinates of terminal point B are -5, 7. Now, from formula, vector AB is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Now vector AB is equal to -5 minus 2 I cap plus 7 minus 1 j cap. So vector AB is equal to -7 I cap plus 6 j cap. Therefore, scalar components of vector AB are -7 and 6 and vector components of vector AB are -7 I cap and 6 j cap.